Toyota cars have always been associated with reliability and acceptable quality. The predecessor Camry V40 once again reinforced the axiom with facts. The new Camry is not far behind, but it was not without a number of incidents. Perhaps the most serious flaw concerns automatic transmissions, paired with a 2.5-liter aspirated. After 40 to 60,000 kilometers, there are complaints about jolts when switching, and after 60 to 100,000 kilometers, some owners had to go to an automatic transmission repair service. Toyota acknowledged the defect, which also affected the RAV4 and Lexus ES250. Lucky, if the warranty has not yet ended, then the officials will replace the torque converter at the expense of the manufacturer. In addition to problems with the torque converter, there is also premature wear of other elements of the box. According to mechanics, the reason is banal: the lack of a manufacturer's recommendation to update the transmission fluid. But at the same time, there are many examples when a sedan has traveled more than 200,000 kilometers without changing the oil in the box and without repairing it. However, to avoid sudden troubles, it is better to change the fluid in the automatic transmission every 60,000 kilometers. Another unpleasant surprise is pitting and paint blistering on the hood and trunk lid. Alas, the paintwork here, as in any other modern car, is rather thin and does not differ in particular strength. But the owner will appreciate the unusually hardy suspension. In rare cases, some had to replace faulty shock absorbers. Leaking or knocking appeared. Racks and bushings of the front stabilizers serve more than 90,000 kilometers. The remaining components of the chassis do not require attention up to 150 to 200,000 kilometers. There are complaints about the salon. Some motorists note the appearance of squeaks. Most crickets are eliminated by sizing, and squeaking when turning the steering wheel is treated by replacing the spiral contact. Sometimes the filler of the seat cushion does not withstand the large mass of the driver, and this is